The Highlights view in Mindstone brings all of your highlights together in one place. You'll see all of the highlights you've made anywhere in Mindstone, organized and color-coded by type. Here, I have a fact, an argument, and some other categories. This view has powerful filters, which we can use to draw out powerful insights. Let's say I want to identify trends. I can filter highlights from articles tagged as relevant to my project. I can also filter by highlighter labels. Let's say I just want to see the facts and figures. Already, I can see trends emerging from these articles. I can even combine filters, for example, to see all of the arguments as well as things I've labeled as facts and figures. I can also filter by tags. Here we see arguments, facts and figures from articles tagged as economics. I can filter by workspace to narrow down my search even further. Once I've got the highlights I'm looking for, Mindstone makes it easy for me to write notes with the side-by-side view. I just open a second window, create a note, and work directly from my highlights. There, all my reading has paid off. I've got the key insights and the evidence to back them up.